Are you ready to discover how I can turn your high-end real estate into the talk of Charleston's luxury market? As your guide to luxury living in Charleston, I'm here to share my insider secrets on marketing your luxury property that'll have potential buyers lining up at your doorstep. Let's dive into the world of luxury real estate marketing strategy that's tailored specifically for the discerning clientele of the South Mount Pleasant and Charleston markets. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Bambi Elstrom and your guide to luxury living in Charleston. So without further ado, let's get going. Let's begin with the importance of high-quality visuals. In the world of high-end real estate, first impressions are everything. That's why I invest in professional photography and videography to capture your property in its best light. High-resolution images and cinematic videos highlight the exquisite details and luxurious features that discerning buyers are looking for. Drone footage can provide stunning aerial views of the property, showcasing its full grandeur, views, and unique location. For instance, in 2024, the demand for virtual tours has skyrocketed. Using cutting-edge technology, immersive 3D videos allow potential buyers to explore your home from anywhere in the world. This not only broadens the reach, but also attracts international buyers who are increasingly interested in Charleston's luxury market. Exclusive marketing channels. Reaching the right audience is crucial in marketing luxury real estate. I utilize exclusive channels that cater specifically to affluent buyers. Your home will be showcased in premium media brands such as the Wall Street Journal, Mansion Global, Robb Report, and many, many more. It's also translated and distributed to dozens of global real estate sites throughout Europe, Asia, Australia, the Middle East, and North and South America. By providing exposure for your home to a global audience of affluent buyers and investors, we truly go to the ends of the earth to deliver superior results. These platforms ensure that your property is seen by those who are actively looking to invest in luxury homes. Additionally, I leverage my network within elite clubs and organizations such as private members-only clubs and luxury sports clubs. This targeted approach ensures that your property is marketed to individuals who value exclusivity and sophistication. Compelling storytelling. Every luxury home has a story, and telling that story effectively can captivate potential buyers. I create a compelling narrative around your property, focusing on its unique features, history, and the lifestyle it offers. This narrative is woven into all marketing materials, from the listing description to social media posts and beyond. For example, if your home has historical significance or was designed by a renowned architect, I highlight these aspects to add depth and appeal. This storytelling approach helps buyers envision themselves living in the space and experiencing the luxury lifestyle it offers. Targeted digital advertising. In 2024, digital marketing is more important than ever. I utilize targeted advertising on platforms like Google Ads, Facebook, and Instagram to reach high net worth individuals who are in the market for luxury properties. These campaigns are tailored to showcase the unique features of your home, from its breathtaking views to its state-of-the-art amenities. I ensure that your property is listed on luxury-focused websites and platforms which attract an international audience of affluent buyers. This digital-first approach not only increases visibility, but also drives engagement from potential buyers who are looking for exceptional real estate opportunities. At eXp Luxury Realty, we have the broadest worldwide, national, and local reach available. With over 90,000 agents worldwide, eXp is in uncharted territory in agent growth, education, and sales. Luxury open houses and events. Hosting exclusive open houses and events is a key part of my luxury real estate marketing strategy. These events are by invitation only, creating an air of exclusivity and attracting serious buyers. I collaborate with high-end brands to stage the property, ensuring it looks its absolute best. From gourmet catering to live music, these events are designed to provide an unforgettable experience that highlights the luxury lifestyle your home offers. In addition, I offer private viewings for VIP clients who prefer a more personalized experience. These private showings allow potential buyers to explore the property at their own pace and ask detailed questions, further enhancing their connection to the home. Leveraging social media. Social media is a powerful tool for marketing your luxury property. I use platforms like Instagram and YouTube to showcase your home through high-quality images, videos, and live tours. By engaging with followers and utilizing targeted hashtags, I increase the visibility of your property and attract interested buyers. One innovative approach is to create a reality show style series on YouTube, where I take viewers behind the scenes of the luxury real estate market. This not only builds interest in your property, but also establishes me as a trusted expert in the field, further enhancing the appeal of your listing. Data-driven insights. Finally, I use data-driven insights to refine and optimize my marketing strategies. By analyzing key performance indicators, KPIs, such as website traffic, social media engagement, and lead generation, I can adjust my approach to ensure the best possible outcomes. This continuous optimization ensures that your property remains at the forefront of the luxury market and attracts the right buyers. In a nutshell, marketing luxury real estate requires a blend of art and strategy. By leveraging high-quality visuals, exclusive channels, compelling storytelling, targeted digital advertising, luxury events, social media, and data-driven insights, I ensure that your property stands out and attracts the discerning buyer it deserves. If you're ready to sell luxury real estate in Charleston, contact me today to get started on your journey to a successful sale. And as always, I'm offering you a free home evaluation. That's right, a precise and professional evaluation of your home's value, completely free of charge. If that's valuable information to you, then contact me on the details shown on your screen. If you want to receive more information about the real estate landscape of South Carolina, make sure to subscribe and follow me here on my socials and YouTube channel, Charleston Coastal Living. And remember, I'm always here to offer a free home evaluation and answer questions you may have about Charleston area real estate. This is Bambi Elstrom with eXp Realty and Charleston Coastal Living. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.